Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by preparing a rigid base. Stack 2-3 cardboard layers and glue them for strength. Once glued, measure and mark a center line. This keeps your track straight. Cut a printed or hand-drawn rail template and tape it to the base. Make sure rail spacing is consistent at about 1/2 to 3/4 inches. Now cut sleepers from thinner cardboard, keeping them uniform. As you work, rotate the board so you can reach all edges without bending the base. Once the sleepers are laid, position your rails directly over the template and tack them with small dabs of hot glue. You want rails that are firm and slightly raised, so fold thin cardboard strips or stack 2 to reach about 2-3 millimeters of height. This helps guide wheels. Make sure each sleeper touches both rails, then glue fully. Take short breaks while pressing sections to avoid misalignment. When dry, sand rail tops lightly so wheels run smoothly and remove excess glue. You finish by priming and painting the rails and sleepers. Sealing edges prevents moisture swelling. Once paint dries, run a test car slowly along the line, watching for snags or derailments. If a wheel hops, pause and inspect rail height and gauge. Use thin shims under low sections or sand high spots. Make sure all sleepers are glued down. Reapply adhesive where loose. Finally, run multiple passes at different speeds to confirm reliability and adjust as needed before full.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.